We got one. Yes, sir, we got one. The days of having long hair is over. We're done. I don't know if we're going to waves.
Calm down, Jamal.
Calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
All right. So we're not going to waves. We're not going to waves. We're not going to waves. But still, it's over with. It's done. Let me show y'all. It's over with, man. You're getting all this cut off. It's done. Dang, look at all this hair, Jared. You sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh my God. All right. We're gonna get into it. Let's cut all this off, man. It's getting ridiculous. He playing soccer now, so all his hair flying in his face and stuff like that. But it's about time. Let's be real. Let's go.
360 dizzy. 360 dizzy. 360,
All right, Jerry, you ready?
It's time.
It's time. All right, let's go. Oh my God. There's no going back. There's no going back. Let's just dive right into it. No need. No need. This is crazy.
I'm good.
All right. And YouTube, that's the cut. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. He fresh. Alright you guys, so I started off by debulking the hair. Now, I'm gonna saturate my son's hair with water, making sure it's all damp. That way, I could cut it down to its proper length. So I'm gonna start off in the front, and I'm gonna start by keeping a 3-finger length in the front and dropping it to a 2-finger length in the back. All right, so I'm just pulling it up, making sure I have 3 fingers from the head and cutting off the rest at the top. So next, I'm gonna spray this sea salt product in my son's hair. Now what this does is when you blow dry it, it kind of stiffens up and acts like a matte kind of finish. It stiffens the hair so it lays in place. So next I'm gonna work on the fade. I'm gonna set in my bald line using my saber trimmers, and I'm just gonna drop it in the back, still keeping my son's C cup. Now, I realize that what I'm about to teach you guys isn't anything new, all right? It's more new for me because this is not how I normally fade. So I just wanted to show you guys something different. That way, you know, if you're that type of a person or a barber that likes to fade down, you could kind of take some tips from me. fading down, you want to start with the highest guard possible. Right now, I got a 3 guard, and I'm basically just debulking the sides, making sure that I feed the hair on top into the teeth of the blade. That way I can build shape as I go. With the top, I kind of want it to look like a high top a little bit, so I'm gonna set it at a 90-degree angle, and I'm just gonna take off everything that's sticking out from the top. So where that 3 was, I'm just looking at where the comb sticks into the 3 guard that's on top, and I'm just building shape, knocking off all the bulk. What I want is a high top straight up look, so that's why I'm kind of angling it more so 90 degrees than 45. So from here on out, it's about just dropping down the guard sizes. So I use my 3 to debulk. Now I got my 2 guard on, and I'm going right to that 3. Now I'm going in with my 1 guard with the lever open, and I'm just kind of flicking out into that 2 that's on top. Now when I say into that 2, I don't mean all the way up to the 2, but just kind of leave some room for, you know, so you don't go all the way up and take out the 2 completely. Just make sure you go near it. So now all I did was close the lever on that 1 guard, and I'm going right below that area where I put the 1 in. Next, putting on the 0 guard close, I'm basically going right up to that 1 closed, and all of this is in a flick out motion. I'm not really setting in any guidelines. I'm just flicking out, fading as I go along. And keep in mind, I'm keeping that same shape as the bald line too. That's what I forgot to say in the beginning. I'm basically like going in that shape. Now with the lever fully open, I'm going up right about to where that 0 guard close was. I'm not really, like I said, setting in a guideline or anything. This is just all flick out work. All right, so just make sure you kind of gauge where that 0 guard close was. So lastly, as far as taking out all the guidelines and blending everything together, I'm gonna set my lever in the middle, soften up that bottom line, and then fully close it at the end to take it out fully. So from here, it's all about detailing your work. After you blend everything down, you just go back in, detail, use guards in different areas where you see bulk. Also, refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on, all right? So always look in the mirror, look at those bulk areas, use your corners. So lastly, I'm gonna end it by basically making the bottom half razor bald, all right? I'm using my Stylecraft shavers and I'm staying right below that trimmer guideline. So I'm gonna add my duck clips in, get the hair out of the way of his front line. I'm gonna comb everything down and just line them up. I'm not gonna take it down to that one guard length like I normally do. I'm just gonna line it up.
Where you get your beats?
Listen, to everybody that's out there that's like, why did you cut his curls, his beautiful hair? Listen, he made the choice on his own. He 11 years old. He gonna make his own choice. And at the end of the day, we spin him around in the 360 and he come out looking like, listen, he's him. He is Timothy. He looking good right now. His hair is out of his face. He ready for soccer. Listen, he is him on the field. Let's go! Gary, you like the cut? How you looking? How you feeling? Cool?
Yes.
Alright. You kind of left some curls on the top. It still look a little curly. I didn't think it was gonna be this curly at the top, but his hair has gotten better as he, you know what I'm saying, is getting older. How old are you, Jerry?
11.
11 years old, about to be 12 on him. Oh man, about to be 12 on him. We out of here. Yeah.